our new lesson, multiplication and division. Okay. See, chapter number 4, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Okay. Today we are going to start with the multiplication. Okay. So from problem set 14, our first question multiply. Our first question multiply. Okay. Now we are going to see our very first example, 327 into 92. 327 into 92. Okay. So what you will do? You will write 327 first, then into. When we are doing addition, we are giving plus sign. When we are doing subtraction, we are giving minus sign. But when we are doing the multiplication, that time we are giving the cross sign. Okay. So give the cross sign. Okay. 327 into 92. Okay. Now, as I said you, we know while doing the multiplication, we should know the tables. हमें tables आना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. So first number we are going to take first digit, that is the unit place digit. Okay. Into 92. तो 92 में से first digit कौन सा है? Unit place का 2. So we are taking the 2 first. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. So we'll write 4 over here and 1 will carry forward on the head of 2. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. तो 14 में से 4 हम लोगों ने unit place पे लिखा है and we are carry forward this one on the head of 2. 2 twos are 2 twos are 4. Now we are multiplying this 2 by 2. जो 10 प्लस का 2 है उसको हम लोग इस 2 से यूनिट प्लस के 2 से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो 2 twos are 4 and 4 plus this one 5. Okay. Now next 100 digit place number. 100 place number 3. 2 threes are 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So again we are going to write 6 over here. So what we get after multiplying 327 by 2, we get 654. ठीक है, ये मिला. But still 9 is remaining. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We are taking 9. We are taking next digit. That time we are using the next row. हम लोग को नीचे वाला रो यूज करना है, नेक्स्ट रो यूज करना है. ओके. Because number is new, so the row will also come new. Okay. Now this 9 is on the 10 place. 9 कौन से प्लेस पे है? 10 प्लेस पे. तो यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या आएगा? 0. ओके. अगर हम लोग एक नंबर आगे जा रहे हैं तो यूनिट प्लेस पे वहां पे कुछ नहीं है. 10 प्लेस का नंबर ले रहे तो यूनिट प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं. सो व्हाट विल पुट ऑन यूनिट प्लेस? 0. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका कौन होता है? 0. ओके. So while taking the new row, that time we are putting 0 at the unit place. Okay. Now 9 sevens are 9 sevens are. Who will give the answer fast? 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. So 3 will come here and 6 will go on the head of 6. On the head of 2. 9 sevens are 63. तो 3 यहाँ पे आएगा और 6 कहाँ पे जाएगा? On the head of 2. 2 twos are 4. Sorry, 9 twos are, very sorry, ये 6 यहाँ पे आया and 9 twos are 18. I am taking these two only. 9 twos are 18. और 18 और 6, 18 plus 6, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. what will come over here? 4 will come, and this 2 will go on the head of 3. This 2 will go on the head of 3. Now 9 threes are 9 threes are 9 threes are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 27 plus this 2. 27 में ये भी 2 ऐड करना है ना. 27, 28 and 29. So 29 will write here as it is. Okay. So 29 यहाँ पे as it is आ गया. Here multiplication over, but our answer is not came till it. So what we'll do? We'll do the addition. अब ये दो नंबर अलग अलग आ गए तो इसे हमें ऐड करना है. And the what the sum will come, that is the answer of this multiplication. जो उसका एडिशन करके आंसर आएगा वो आंसर ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर होगा, क्योंकि ये दोनों नंबर हम लोग ने अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई किए. ओके, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द टेबल ऑफ 92 का टेबल किसी को आता है क्या? नो. सो फॉर दैट, for our convenience, what we did, we multiply first 327 by 2 and then next 327 by 9. पहले हम लोग ने 327 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और बाद में 9 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, because we know the table of 2 and 9. Okay, now we are going to add these numbers. Now unit place number. See, now the numbers are little bit shifted towards the left side. So I am pointing the numbers. Please see over this. 4 plus 0. Unit place number. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now yellow color I'll take. 5, 10 place number. Okay. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Now I'll take the green color. Okay. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'll write 0 over here. I'll carry forward 1 on the head of 9 because 9 is at 1000 place and here 1000 place number is not there. 1000 place digit is not there. So I'll forward this 1 on the head of 9. So 9 plus 1. This 1 plus this 9. 9 plus 1 again 10. So again 0 will come here. And this 1 will carry forward on the head of 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So when we multiply 327 into 92, that time we are getting the answer 30,084. 30,084. Okay? Correct? Everyone understood? Understood? Now, our next example. We are going to see the example number 4. Example number 4. Okay. Now, here the digit is 4 digit into 3 digit. हम लोग ने अभी देखा 3 digit into 2 digit. Now we are saying the 4 digit into 3 digit. 4,317 into 8,200 sorry 4,317 into 824. Okay, this is our multiplication number. 4,317 into 824. What we'll do? We'll write the first number 4,317 into क्या आएगा? Don't forget to give the sign, cross sign. 824. Now we are going to do the multiplication. So first number is 4. 4 sevens are 28. We'll write 8 here. We'll carry forward 2 on the head of 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. अब ये 4 से 7 को मल्टीप्लाई हो चुका तो हम लोग आगे वाला नंबर लेंगे. 4 7 are 28, तो 8 यहाँ पे लिखा, कैरी फॉरवर्ड 2 किया. नाउ विल टेक द सेकेंड नंबर. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus this 2, 5 6. So we'll write 6 over here. 4 3s are 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. So again 2 here. We'll carry forward 1 on the head of 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus this one 17. Okay. तो अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4317 को, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 17,268. ओके. नाउ दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर. नाउ सेकेंड डिजिट 10 प्लस डिजिट है 2. अब हम लोग क्या ले रहे हैं 2. So as I told you, when we are taking the next number, that time we are using the next row. Okay. Now this 2 is on the 10 place. So on the unit place, no number is there. So what will we put over here? 0. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या डालने वाले हैं अभी next row में unit place पे 0, because we are using 10 plus digit. तो unit place पे क्या आएगा 0. 2 7s are, now do the multiplication. 2 7s are 14. So 4 will come over here. 1 will carry forward on the head of 1. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. And 2 4s are last digit. 2 4s are 8. तो हमें आंसर क्या मिला 86,340. Now 100 plus digit, this 8. Now again next 100 plus digit we are using. So we are taking the next row. We are using the next row. Okay. Now this 8 is on 100 place. So on unit and 10 place, no number is there. So what will put over here? 0. Unit place पे भी 0 आएगा और 10 place पे भी क्या आएगा 0 आएगा, because we are using the 100 plus digit. 100 place का नंबर हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड रो में यूनिट और टेंस के प्लेस पे क्या आएगा 00 आएगा. यूनिट पे भी 0 और टेंस पे भी 0, मीन्स 20 will come. Okay. Now multiplication 8 7s are 8 7s are. I hope you know the table. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. So 6 will come over here and 5 will go on the head of 1. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So what will come over here? 3, and 1 will go on the head of 3. This one will go on the head of 3. Now 8 3s are 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24s. And the 24 plus this one 25. 25. So 5 will come over here and 2 will go on the head of 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus this 2 33 34. So 34 will come as it is. Now here as multiplication by single digit is over. Now what we'll do? We'll add these 3 numbers. Now we are going to add these 3 digit numbers. Okay. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो हो गया, अब ये तीनों जो आंसर आए उसे हमें ऐड करना है. Then only we are getting the answer of this multiplication, no? तो अभी इसे ऐड करना है. 8 plus 0 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 8 only. Okay. So what will come over here? 8. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. So 0 will come over here. So in 10, 0 will come over here and 1 will carry forward on the head of this 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus this one. 11 plus this one is 12. So we are going to write 2 here. We'll carry forward 1 on the head of 7. We are going to carry forward 1 on the head of 7. Okay. Now 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus this 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. And 16 plus this one, 17. So again 7 will write over here and we'll carry forward 1 on the head of 1. Okay. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. And 14 plus this one, 14 plus this one is 15. So again 5 over here and we'll carry forward 1 on 4 on the 4 side. Okay, because यहाँ पे अभी लाख का प्लेस तो है नहीं, 6 डिजिट का प्लेस तो इसमें भी नहीं है और इसमें भी नहीं है. दिस प्लेस इज ओनली ओवर हियर ऑन द लास्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो हम लोग वो 1 को कहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे? 4 के हेड पे, वहां पे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे. सो 4 प्लस दिस वन इज 5 and 3 will come as it is. 3 will come as it is. So what is the answer? 4,317 into 824. That time we are getting the answer 35,57,208. 35,57,208. Okay, understood? Understood everyone? Now we'll see the next example. We'll see this. Okay, 5-digit number. We'll see this 5-digit number. We have seen 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Now we are going to see the 5-digit number. This 12th example. Okay. 20,304 into 87. 20,304 into 87. Okay. Now, see. First we'll write the 20,304, then into 87. Don't forget to give cross sign. Okay, 87. Now, what we'll do? We'll take the first digit, unit place digit. Now, 7 4s. 7 4s. Who will tell? 7 4s 28. So we'll write 8 here. We'll carry forward 2 on the head of 0. हम लोग ने क्या किया? 8 यहाँ पे दिखा आंसर में and we carry forward 2 on the head of 0. Now 7 into 0. 7 into 0. अगर किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, okay, that time you are getting answer 0 only. If you multiply any number by 0, that time you are getting 0 only. कोई भी नंबर ले लो, अगर उसको आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपको आंसर 0 ही मिलने वाला है. So when I am multiplying 7 into 0, that time I am getting the answer 0. So 7 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus this 2 carry forward. We carry forwarded this 2, no? तो ये 2 0 में अगर ये 2 हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 7 into 0, 0. 0 plus this 2, 0 plus this 2, 2. 0 में हम लोग ने ये 2 ऐड किया तो हमें क्या मिला? 2. ओके, ओके. Now 7 3s are 7 3s are again 21. So 1 will write here and will carry forward 2 on the head of 0. Again 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. 0 plus this 2, 0 plus this 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. So 14 will come as it is. 14 will come as it is. Okay. Now, next number. Now we have multiplication over by 7. Now we are taking the next number 8, 10 place number. So when we are taking next row, that time we are putting 0 on the unit place. उस वक्त हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, 0 डाल रहे हैं unit place के जगह पे. Okay. Now 8 4s are 32. So 2 here, we are going to carry forward 3 on the head of 0. 8 4s are 32 and 3 हम लोग ने carry forward किया 0 के head पे. 8 into 0 0. 8 into 0 0. 0 plus 3 will come. 0 plus 3 3. 8 3s are 24. So again 4 will come over here. We'll carry forward 2 on the head of 0. We'll carry forward 2 on the head of 0. 8 into 0. Now 8 into 0. 8 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Correct? And 8 2s are 16. So 16 will come as it is. Okay. Now we are going to do the addition for the final product. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 2, again 6. 1 plus 6, 7. And 1 will come as it is. 1 will come as it is. So, what is our answer? 20,304 into 87. That time we are getting the answer 17,66,448. 448. Okay. Okay. Now, I hope this first question multiply everyone understood. Understood? Now, here is the word problem. Here is the word problem for you people. Okay. 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 So, our second word problem. Now, question number 2. As part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. Okay. What was the total number of paper bags made? What is the question? एक Avoid Plastic campaign है, उसमें 745 स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, बट each स्टूडेंट मेड 25 बैग्स. सो एक स्टूडेंट ने 25 बनाया बैग्स, पेपर बैग्स, तो 745 ने कितना बनाया? सो वी हैव टू टेक आउट द आंसर, वी हैव टू टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट. सो हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स? 745. नंबर ऑफ बैग इस स्टूडेंट में, एक बच्चे ने कितना बनाया? एक स्टूडेंट ने 25. ओके. सो टेक आउट द आंसर. व्हाट विल डू? विल मल्टीप्लाई 745 बाय 25. 745 को हम लोग किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 25 को, क्योंकि उस कैंपेन में बच्चे कितने, स्टूडेंट कितने? 745. और एक स्टूडेंट ने कितने बैग्स बनाए? 25. सो 745 into 25. Okay, so here we'll take the first digit 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 will come over here. We'll carry forward 2 on the head of 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus this 2, 22. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus this 2, 22. So 2 will come here and we'll carry forward 2 on the head of 7. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus this 2, 35, 36 and 37. Okay, so answer is 3725. Now we'll take the second number 2. Okay, that time we are using the next row and we are putting 0 on the unit place. Okay, unit place पे हम लोग ने 0 पहले ही डाल दिया. 2 5s are 10. So 0 will come over here and 1 will carry forward on the head of 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 7s are 14. So we'll write 14 as it is. Now what we'll do? We'll do the addition. सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके छोड़ नहीं देना है, हमें क्या करना है, उसका एडिशन भी करना है. सो 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 0 2. 7 plus 9 16. So we'll carry forward 1 on the head of 3. So 3 plus 4 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus this one 8 and 1 will come as it is. Okay, so the total number of bags was made 18,625. अगर एक बच्चे ने 25 bags बनाया तो 745 ने कितना बनाया? So total number of bags is 18,625. Okay, okay, सबको एग्जाम्पल समझ में आया? Now next we'll see the fourth example. Okay, fourth example. One computer cost 27,540 rupees. एक कंप्यूटर का कॉस्ट कितना है? 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computer cost? एक कंप्यूटर का कॉस्ट है 27,540 rupees. तो ऐसे 18 कंप्यूटर्स का कितना कॉस्ट होगा? ओके, सो आवर सॉल्यूशन, द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कंप्यूटर इज 27,540 rupees. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? तो हमें कितने कंप्यूटर्स ऐसे लेने हैं? 18. सो 27,540 into 18. So we'll take the first digit, unit place digit. 8 into 0, 0. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4 is 32. So we'll carry forward 3 on the head of 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus this 3, 43. So we'll write 3 over here. We'll write 3 over here. We'll carry forward 4 on the head of 7. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 60. So in 60 we'll write 0 over here and we'll carry forward 6 on the head of 2. 8 2s are 18. Sorry, 16. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus this 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Now we'll take the second number 1. But when we are taking second number 10 plus number, that time we are putting 0 on the unit place. Okay, दूसरे रो में unit place पे क्या आएगा? 0. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 4 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. Okay, ये simple वाला होता है 1 का टेबल. Okay, now we are going to add this. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 3 plus 4 7. 0 plus 5 5. 2 plus 7 9. 2 plus 7 is 9, no? And 2 plus 2 is 4. So 18 computers will cost rupees 4,95,720. तो 18 कंप्यूटर का कॉस्ट क्या होगा? 4,95,720. ओके ओके, अब हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. ओके, and we'll see this last example. Okay. Okay. So the last example of problem set 14, seventh question. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? अगर 1 hour में 3600 seconds है, एक घंटे में कितने seconds होते हैं? 3600. So 365 hours में कितने seconds होंगे फिर? Okay, we have to find out. So 1 hour has 3600 seconds, so we'll write the first number 3600. Then how many seconds do 365 hours have? So 360 hours have question mark seconds. How many seconds? We'll multiply 3600 by 365. Okay. Now again 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 6 are 30. So 0 here. We'll carry forward 3 on the head of 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus this 3, 16, 17 and 18. So what is the answer? 18,000. Now we are taking the second number, second digit. That is 6. तो ये ले रहे तो हम लोग इस रो में नेक्स्ट रो में क्या लेंगे यूनिट प्लेस पे? 0. Okay, so we are putting over here 0 at the unit place. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 0, 0. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 6 will come over here and 3 will carry forward on the head of 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus this 3, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So what will come over here? 21. Okay, and our last digit, that is 300 place digit. Now we are using 100 place digit. So what we'll do? We'll put 2 zeros because 100 के बाद कितने place है यहाँ पे? 1 and 2, 10 और unit. So how many zeros will come here? At unit place 1 and at 10 place 1. Okay, so we'll put 2 zeros in the third row. Okay, 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 6 are 18. So 8 here. We'll carry forward 1 on the head of 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus this 1, 10. So we'll write 10 as it is. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll do the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Again 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Again 0 will come. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 0, 14 only. So 4 will come over here. We'll carry forward 1 on the head of 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. 8 plus this 2. 10.